I've been waiting 7 months to make this video. Right, a little backstory. I've already made 2 videos on backstories. You can find one of them here, and I'll try to get one of them here. I've never done these cards before, but we'll try it. And if you're not interested in the talking part, I'll put a little timestamp here. You can skip forward and get to the good bit. But for people that don't know, I had a 2002 GSX-R1000 that kind of snapped the chain and cracked the engine block. So yeah, right at the start of the year it happened. I think it was around March or April. But I had no money, and parts for that bike are impossible to find. Could not get out anywhere. So I ended up kind of giving up on the idea of it getting back put together and be on the road. So I found something else, and here's a quick shot of it.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip.
That's right, it's a 2005 GSX-R750 20th anniversary. This bike was in a scrapyard with a blown up engine. It needed a lot of work, but unlike the GSX-R1000, I could actually find parts for it. So I had to borrow money to buy this bike, but I got in contact with the breaker, and he said he's this much interest in the bike, he's just gonna part it out. He thinks he'd make more money, and I said, no, you get that bike put into a van and you get it over here this evening and I'll buy it off you. So I borrowed some money, got it off him, and then I actually stuck the GSX-R1000 up for sale, and it pretty much paid for the 750, which is brilliant. So I know the bike wasn't perfect, it had issues. It needed a gearbox rebuild. 6th gear was a bit fucked on it when I bought it, and then I took it for a spin and went 1st to 5th in the gears and it was fine. And then the father took it for a spin and went 1st to 6th and grenaded the gearbox. So long story short, it was off in a mechanics for the last 6 months, getting rebuilt. Usually doesn't take that long to rebuild a gearbox. I was just getting fucked around. I have messages upon messages from this garage just giving me every excuse why they're not doing it, and I think I got into breaking point to where they actually done the work. But the gearbox was expensive, but I was actually able to do it, unlike the GSX-R1000 where there's no parts available for that bike. Any second-hand or new parts are going straight to lads that races competition buggies. They adored that generation of GSXs for some reason. So yeah, I have it on the road, it's up and running. The GSX-R1000 is no more. I think this is something a bit cooler and it's a bit rarer. It's not perfect by any means. It needs a lot of work. It needs tires, it needs forks, it needs a few cosmetic bits, it needs a headstock bearing, but it's running and driving and I can take it down the road. So I'm going to cut to some riding footage now. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be doing like a proper review on this bike and more videos on it. I'll be putting up a lot of shorts and stuff as well. So let me know what you think. I'm hoping this is something good.